Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, clickgatget. Here, you'll discover the latest and coolest gadgets, honest tech reviews, unboxings, and smart tips to make your digital life easier.
The best SMD soldering station reviews. JCD 800W Soldering Rework Station LED Digital Display SMD Welding Hot Air Gun Solder Station Soldering Iron Repair Toolkit 8206, Hot Air Heater and Welding Iron 2-in-1 Rework Soldering Station, Dual LCD Digital Displays to show precision temperature.
Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more great content.